Hi reception. So today, slightly different to yesterday when we had lots and lots of containers. Today we just need one container and I'm going to use this quite little one. It's not too big. And then what I've actually got together is a range of spoons. So I have got a ladle. That's quite big. I've got a tablespoon. I've got a teaspoon. I've got a quarter of a teaspoon. I've got half a teaspoon. I found a normal spoon I eat my pudding with or my breakfast, and I've got a little teaspoon that I make my tea with. And I want to find out how many of these fill this. So, are you ready? I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I've got my bowl and I'm going to start with my ladle. And I filled it with water. Now, how many of these will it take to fill it up? Are we ready? 1. Ooh, make sure my ladle's full. 2. Wow, 2 ladles. And if I do a third, it's going to overflow. So I've done 2 and a tiny bit. I'm going to call that 2. So once again, I've got my bit of paper and I've written the number 2. Okay, and I'm going to put that number 2 with my ladle. So I remember how many it took to fill my pot. Now I'm going to empty my pot, and this time I think I'm going to use the tablespoon. So are we ready? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you helping me count? 6, 7, 8, 9, still going, it's only half full. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, goodness me, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That definitely took 20. So I need to now, on my piece of paper, write 20. That's a 2 and a 0, like a number 10, but instead of a 1 and a 0, it's a 2 and a 0. So I've now got 20, and I'm going to lay that number 20 down with this spoon so that I remember how many it took to fill my pot, which I'm emptying out again. And now I'm going to start with another spoon. This spoon's even smaller. So do you think the number is going to be bigger than 20 or smaller than 20? Why don't you gather up your own spoons and ladles and have a go yourself? But remember, you only need 1 container today for this investigation. Have fun. Let me know how you get on.